picked up a bunch of basically bump stops for the F350, and I got the F350 version. But after looking at them, I'm pretty sure once I bolt these things together, I'm going to put them in like an F250 so that there's still space, so that when I drive, my springs still take the majority of the bounce than when I've got load on it. So I'm assembling these here for the F350. These are generic ones. They're not name brand. They came off of Amazon. They're fantastic. I've had them on other trucks. I seem to like them a lot, so I'm putting them on this one too. Got to take off the old one. The old one, as you can see, leaves about a 4.5, 5-inch gap on the F350 where it can just bottom down onto, and then that puts all the force on the springs and the shock, and I don't want to do that, especially when I'm on a heavy load. I just wanted to do that when I'm running empty, where it's on the springs and the shock. And then when I'm on a heavy load, I want this big, urethane or rubber, whatever you want to call this, bumper to come down and give me some assistance to keep things stiffer and more stable. But again, when I'm driving empty, I want that space, so that's why I'm not adding the spacer. So I'm basically putting this in like an F250 into an F350 without the spacer, so there's a little bit of space so my spring and shock can still take the everyday absorption of bumps and stuff, and then when I put the big weights on it for the farm and drive around, it'll sit down nice and tight and give me some more support for the haul. Here you can see them on the tailgate. That is the difference. Factory on the left, aftermarket there on the right. These things have worked well for me in the past. They're like the Timberlines, but these are the generic Amazon ones, and they seem to do really well for me. They're quick and easy to install. Here you can see me comparing them side by side. That's the difference, folks. They'll improve this ride when I'm hauling the heavy loads for the F350, and on everyday drives, they'll work perfect because there's still a space there.